and how to format text in HTML, and it's basically simple, just like the way we format text in Microsoft Word or any other text processors, also in Mac. So let's get started. So normally we use the p tag for the paragraph, since we're gonna have a lot of text, but we can use other tags as well. So here we're gonna have to learn all the basic text formatting in HTML. So I'm gonna have a duplicate of these tests so we could see different kinds of formatting we can apply in HTML. So let me duplicate this real quick. Okay, so let me add another one to it. So we can have a text being bolded in HTML by using a tag called the bold tag. So it's simply a B, very easy to remember. So bold, simple bold tag. Then let me add a text in here. Let me say bold tag, very easy. Then we have another tag which looks like the bold, but it's a little bit different, but it comes out like the bold too. But what it does is it makes the text size really strong on the screen, just like we know in Microsoft Word as well. So strong, that is also a strong tag. So let me say this is a strong text tag. Yeah. Next one I want to demonstrate is italicizing a text. To italize a text, you simply need to use the italic tag, which is the I tag, and that one will help you use the italic function in HTML, so it actually shows in an italic format. What other formatting tags do we have? We also have emphasis, and the emphasis looks like the italic tag, but normally for quotes and all that. So depending on how we want to use it in a project, so we call that tag the EM tag, and the EM tag looks similar like the italic tag, so we call that the emphasized tag. So let me call the emphasized tag text. Okay, then the next one I want to demo here for you to see is the mark. So the mark actually does a little bit of a highlight for you to see in the text. So we use that tag to always highlight a particular phrase in a paragraph or in a chunk of words. So let's call the mark tag, and then in between the mark tag, let's do highlight. Let's say highlight text tag. Good. Then next one, we want to also get to know a text that is called like a text format called a computer code. It only makes the text looks like computer written text. That is all what it does. So it's called a code tag, and then you can let's say computer code text tag. Okay, another formatting we have for HTML is the small tag. The small tag means if you have a chunk of content and you want to make some of the content inside the many text to be small, you use this tag. So you simply call the small tag like this. Then you can make that text a little bit small among the rest. So let me say small text tag. Then let me add another text here so we can see it clearly. So additional. All right, next, what other formatting tag we have is we have the subscript and the superscript. So it means one script is gonna show beneath the normal text and the other will show above the normal text. So let's try that. We're gonna see it soon on the screen. So let's have the sub tag. So that is for the subscript. So subscript tag, and then let me add the superscript tag here. So and superscript. So for the super, we need to use the SUP instead of the SUB. So that is the tag for SUP here, and then we have the superscript tag test. Okay, great. Next, let's learn how to use a delete text. A delete text will simply show a cross text on your screen. So depending on the project you're doing, you might need it somewhere. So let's call it a deleted text. Okay, then the next common one I want to demonstrate is the inserted text. Means you can insert a text inside a chunk of text. So we use what we call the insert text, and we can have a text being shown in a very bigger other text we want to use. So let me add that, and this is the insert tag ins, and then I close it. Then we can say this is an insert tag test. Great, let me clear this. So now let's save this and see all the format on the screen now. Great. So let me do side by side. So we see what is going on the screen. So the first one is what? This is bold tag, which is this one. So the V tag. The second one, I said it looks like the bold one, but it comes out a little bit different, which is the strong tag. So you can decide on which project you are using. You choose one of this. Then we have the italic. Then we have the emphasis, which looks like the italic as well. Then we have the highlighted one using the mark tag. Then we have the computer code, this one right here. So we have the computer code here, and then we have the small text tag, which shows in between these ones. Then we have the subscript, which is showing down here, and then we have the superscript tag. Then we have the deleted one with the cross inside the text, which is here. So the del tag, which is the delete tag, the sub SUB, and then the subscript SUP. Then we have the insert tag, which shows here, but the insert tag always comes with an underline inside the main tag. All right, see you in the next video. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment and I'll get back to you.